Regularly maintaining your bucker is essential for keeping it operating properly. We recommend that you repeat this after approximately 6 hours of work. This video shows you what to do. Before doing any manipulation, disconnect the machine from the power supply. Let's start. Remove the front cover. You will need a 4mm Allen key to remove the bolts. There are 8 in total, 4 on the front and 4 on the back. Once the cover is removed, use a sponge and hot water to remove the residues. Continue with the rollers. With the help of a 24mm spanner, loosen the nut at the bottom and tighten the one at the top, and repeat on both sides evenly. As you perform this action, you will see that the rollers separate instantly. Then, clean them with a cloth and hot water. When clean, check the condition of the rollers. If they are damaged, do not hesitate to contact us. Then grease to bearings. This action need not be performed every 6 hours, but should be done regularly. Apply grease to bearings at the side of the bucker head and the wheels. Clean the remainder of the surface of the bucker with a sponge and hot water. After cleaning the entire machine, return everything to its initial position. Tension the rollers. They must be adjusted according to the variety to be processed. If you require more pressure or have drag problems, loosen the upper nut in order to tighten the lower nut and repeat on both sides. Tighten the top nut until you achieve the desired pressure. Attach the front cover. Finally, reconnect the machine to the power supply. And now your bucker is ready for action. Thank you, and until the next time.